Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. We are just driving a dirt bike on some trails. I don't know if you could call it even trails, but it's just kind of like a mini trail for a dirt bike. I thought it's pretty cool to record it, so let's go. Yeah, so that's a 140 and that's a 450, and I mean we're next to some of these trails. It's about like 100 degrees outside right now, so it's super hot.
Очень быстро перегревается.
Yeah, so they're saying the bikes are overheating, so we're gonna cool them down.